Want to call scammers yourself and join the fight? Look no further. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to call scammers yourself. We have released a new platform that makes it easier than ever to dial scammers, and it is absolutely free. Check it out.
Tired of FireRTC banning people and not letting you register? Well, we got a new platform. Here it is, guys. I present bobrtc. bobrtc is a new dialing platform like FireRTC. You can register using your Discord. When you do, you can go to phone book. These are all scammer numbers. You can add numbers to our database. We will verify them. And all you have to do is you look at what kind of scam it is. You click on it. And it will automatically dial the number. So you don't have to search for any scam numbers anymore.
Hello, bobrtc will connect
See?
your call.
It's dialing.
I am sorry, that's not a valid...
Oh, that one is down. It will, there will be new ones. So, yeah, the cool thing is, you can now dial without needing to find a scam number. We do that for you. And you can dial from our list. We will update it really fast. It will even say how many minutes ago it was posted. Whenever you call a scam number on bobrtc, you will automatically get a random caller ID which changes with every call that you do. Let me show you.
Hello.
See, there you go. Every call has a different caller ID. So the scammers cannot block you. Also, every scam number has its own chat room where you can discuss the scam. Share information about them, like the names of the employees, their tactics, what zip code to use to get the bait going, all of that. Really cool. When you dial toll-free numbers, you will build up experience points, which make you able to dial non-toll-free numbers as well. So the more you dial, the more numbers you can dial which are not toll-free. You can go to settings and change all of this. It's really easy to use. All you do is register using your Discord account. You click on phone book. You can share numbers with us even. Choose what kind of scam it is. We will add it. You don't have to look for numbers anymore. All you do is click on the number and you can dial a scammer. From the menu you can go to My Activities, where you will see the amount of experience that you have and how many minutes you have to call the numbers that are not toll-free. Basically, you get the experience by making phone calls to toll-free numbers, and then you can dial the non-toll-free numbers as well. In the future, experience will also unlock another option like custom dialing, but for now, remember guys, this platform is in beta. It's not really finished yet, and a lot more will be added in the future. So I hope all of you will join us and start helping us fight the scammers. We need more people to dial the scammers. So please join and hope to see you on bobrtc. Go to bobrtc.live now and join our fight against the scammers.